So once you've started an assignment in Scribble, there is this option to write your paper in the actual Scribble platform, which you're totally fine to do. If you would like to, you can write your paper right here. It's up to you. It created this file in Google Drive. You can also create another file if you want, and you can just make it yourself, or they created this one for you. So you can totally write your paper right here if you would like to, or if you want, you can go find that paper in your Google Drive, or you could just create your own. In this sort of tutorial, I'm just walking you through your options that you can use. If you go and find that file, or if you make your own file in Google Drive, you can use this tool. It's an add-on called Scribble Writer, and if you don't have it, you would just go to Get Add-ons and search for Scribble Writer. But what'll happen is it'll ask you to sign in and then choose a library that goes along. So you would choose your editorial essay library that you've been working on. I have everyone's library. So from here, you can click and see your outline. You can also see your bibliography. And you have sources. These are all the sources that are in that library, and you can click to browse annotations. And let's say that I really like this quote and I want to use it in my paper. Scribble Writer makes it really easy. You just click and it will insert. Let me try one more time. It'll insert it in your paper. Maybe. There we go. And then you can, move it around where you need it to be. It also will create a works cited page, and it'll put the in-text citation in there if you want to. Now, if you want to use EasyBib for this paper, you totally can, but this is another option for a tool, and I want you to use the tool that you're going to be comfortable with and you're going to be have the most success with. So if you want to use the Scribble Writer tool instead of EasyBib, and you want to insert quotes and stuff from the actual articles, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure that you have your in-text citations and everything is correct, and like you're making sure that you're following all of the requirements for MLA formatted in-text citations and works cited pages. But just wanted to show you this tool if you want to use it.